My friends, man on earth has become very short-sighted in his appreciation of the creation. He does not understand the true meaning of the simple and beautiful life that surrounds him. He does not appreciate its generation and regeneration. He learns that the very atmosphere that he breathes is cycled through the plant life to be regenerated to support him and his fellow beings and creatures. And yet, this seems to the vast majority of those who dwell upon this planet to be an exercise in technology rather than one of theology. There is no awareness of the Creator's plan to provide for His children, to provide for their every desire, and to provide a state of perfection. Man on earth has lost the awareness that is rightfully his. And why, my friends, has he lost this awareness? He has lost this because he has focused his attention upon devices and inventions of his own. He has become hypnotized by his playthings and his ideals. He is but a child in his mind. All of this may be very simply remedied, and man can once more return to appreciation of reality rather than appreciation of the illusion created by his mind. All that is necessary, my friends, is that he individually avail himself to this appreciation of reality through the process of meditation. For the process of meditation stills one's active conscious mind, which is continually seeking stimulus within the illusion developed over so many centuries of time upon planet Earth. Very rapidly, then, man can return to an appreciation of the reality in the functioning of the real creation. This, my friends, is what man of earth must return to if he is to know reality. This simple thought of absolute love, a thought of total unity with all of his brothers and sisters, regardless of how they might express themselves or whom they might be. For this is the original thought of your Creator. My friends, man on earth has become very short-sighted in his appreciation of the creation.